right, good morning everybody and Happy New Year. Today is our first day of real business in this new commercial building that we have purchased, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour. Our unit is the end unit. You can see there's a street here. We're going to make a retail store in this unit. Hello, dog. We've got about 500 square feet of space between this room and this, oh boy, Christmas tree, that's gotta go. And this other room over here. And the whole goal of that is to be able to put a tick on the tick box on accounts, applications that we have a retail store. And then here we have, whoever that is. Who are you?
I'm your wife.
Oh yeah, that's right. And then we have Tweedledee and Tweedledum over here.
Hello.
Hello.
Laura and Mitch, as you guys all know, in their work space where I'm sure they'll get in brotherly and sisterly fights, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Not if I kick him out first.
I'll
Okay.
be right here.
Somewhere back there. Anyway, this is our illustrious kitchen, complete with fire suppression system for the whole building. Apparently this thing's going to need to be replaced at some point at a cost of $60,000 to $100,000. You can bet I'm excited about that. And we are entering in the competition for the world's ugliest kitchen. So there you have that. The dog is following me all around. Here is an extra room where right now we shoot hoops and eat lunch and take breaks and whatever. Go to the bathroom. At some point maybe we'll put some more people in here. Out into the warehouse with our world's oldest forklift over there. Our prep right there. And we're going to be doing a lot more of that because now we're getting into the business of pick, pack, and ship for our FBA business and our non-Amazon business. And then in here is actually my temporary office because I have just discovered that thanks to the mechanic shop on the other side of that wall, it's going to be too noisy for me to film videos in here, so I will be moving into the upstairs portion of the building, which kind of sucks because it will sequester me from everybody else on the team, which I'm not super excited about, but I'm less excited about having the sound of air tools interrupt me while I'm in the middle of shooting a video. All right, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed the tour, as glorious as it was, and let's all make it a killer 2019.